Unlock the power of Google Lens to conduct highly specific searches with ease. In this quick 1-minute tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to use Google Lens to search for information from a specific part of a web page. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just a curious explorer, this video will help you harness the full potential of Google Lens for your web searches. Key highlights. What is Google Lens and how does it work? Step-by-step guide on conducting specific searches, tips for getting the most accurate results. Real-time demonstration, learn how to identify and search for images, text, and more, using Google Lens, extract information from screenshots and real-world objects. Improve your research efficiency. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Watch now and become a Google Lens Pro in just 1 minute.